I just found nice, beautiful puffball mushroom. Oh my God, listen to that. Oh, I love these. Okay, so give her some taps. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Ooh, and an earthworm. Come here. Look. Now I can go fishing later. Just kidding. I'm gonna leave it there. Hey buddy, I don't wanna kneel on you. Stay there. Look at this. What an awesome find. So I harvested my one puffball mushroom that I'm gonna cook up. But as I was walking, I found this giant baby here. I'm not gonna pick this one yet, but beautiful, beautiful. It feels so cool. They're really, really good. I really like the texture. So yeah, really cool.